All right, how's everyone doing? Ready to kick this off? This will be referenced off of codeandphase.com. He has a JavaScript course, and I'm on project one. And what we did, we built an albums for selection, and you can pick them and then download your albums. So what I did is I went in. I'm putting this on the JavaScript, the setTimeout function. What I do is go through and just delete everything, not delete everything, but take off the selected or active class that we put on everything else to make more of a smoother transition. So let me explain. Here's what I created. Um, what you do is you come through and you're going to select how many albums you want. So I'm going to come in here and select 4 albums. So up in the right hand corner, downloads complete, 4 items. If I select 0, 0 is going to come up. So, and then what's it supposed to be doing is downloading. So originally this post, if you selected something, it wouldn't delete. It would just stay there, and then you'd have to unclick it. So what I did is, I kind of went in and just messed with the JavaScript around, kind of looked up set timeout, and I was able to come up with a cool function. It's just quick HTML for it. There's only 5 albums up, and then the background. So here shows everything up there. Here's my script I'm running. And up top here for the notifications, of course, this is going to be on display, none, or hidden. And I bring that out only, when it's to show that notification and a fixed mark in the upper right-hand corner of the page. So I should be able to post this, or you guys could just go to my site. I put it up on my webpage, alexanderjwaters.com, and you guys can check it out there. The link will be in the description later on, so once I'm finished with this. As you can tell, I'm new to doing YouTube videos, so kind of bear with me because it's kind of like, getting through like the uncomfortableness. So it's a process. So anyways, I'm going to go to the JavaScript. And from here, let me see. So everything was cool on his page. And then right here is where we have save. So every time I hit the save button on click, we're going to run this function here. And here it shows album selected. So if I click 1 or 2, that's what it's going to show. It's going to be the length and item selected. So let me show you again. So if I click 1, JavaScript's going to do that. 1 items saved. Boom. 1 item saved, or we could do 0 items saved. Again, that's coming from that piece of code right there. So now here's the function that I got into. So now also off that, you're going to notify the class list. We're going to add active to it if it's selected. So now in the HTML document, in the element, it's going to add the class of active. Now in the set timeout, I'm giving it 2000 milliseconds. And then what we're doing is just stands for 2 seconds. So it's going to go 1, 2, it's going to have that pause, and then just do the function that I want it to do, which is the set timeout. So here I'm going to notify class list. I'm going to remove every active class that I put into the HTML element. And then from there, I'm running a for loop. I'm going to step through each index of the albums, and basically just saying, hey, if this was selected, if this, is showing true, basically just go through and remove selected. So, and that's how I was able to, kind of push through that. It took me a little bit, but, everything looks pretty cool now. So let me kind of go through it back and show you again. So this is it. Kind of select a few items. And there we go. Download complete, 3 items saved. There's nothing to download here. Again, it's just to, mess around. This is me just playing with JavaScript. And to me, just adding extra things, kind of making the project that we did mine. So here's my website here, Alexander J. Waters. If you guys want to check it out, just come here, go to latest work, go down to my portfolio section, and it should be 2 albums, download. And then we could view project. Yeah, right here. If you guys want to check out my site. Anyways, drop me comments, likes, anything of that nature. I've been in college for the last few years. I have backend programming, Java, Python, C++, SQL. So I basically been, in the books. So it's pretty cool to branch off into front-end web development. I've always wanted to do it, but just never had the chance. And, Joe at Coding Phase basically just takes people under his wing, like, let's go, let's do this. So I'm pretty excited there. He does mentorship, once a week if you get it with the ASAP program. So it's just a blessing. So anyways, drop a like, comment, let me know what you guys like. I also thought about doing, college, like the midterms or finals, kind of knocking out the projects you guys would have to do in there, just to not do them for you, but just kind of give you ideas of what you could do. If you guys are interested, drop me a like or a comment. Let me know what you guys are into. So, all right, everyone, my name is Alex, and hope to see you around.